Welcome to another episode of SG Dr. Wellness. It's Coach Alvin here. Thank you all for your support thus far, and we are working hard to curate more health and wellness content to benefit the community. In today's topic, I'll be talking about a list of foods that might seem to be healthier than your typical deep fried or sugary spread, but in fact can negatively affect our health if consumed indiscriminately. Do take note of this list and hope that it will help you make actual healthier choices when considering what to eat for your next meal. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please smash the subscribe button now. Let's go. Here, I will list out the types of food that many might think of as healthier alternatives but can be detrimental to your health when consumed in the long run. First on the list is high sodium content foods such as soup and condiments. Soupy dishes such as fish soup or noodle soup might seem like healthier food fare, but in fact they are laden with sodium. One bowl of chicken noodle soup can have as much as 900 milligrams of sodium, which can take up almost half of the 2000 milligrams recommended daily intake. Sodium causes water retention in the body and is also linked to appetite stimulation, which can result in unwanted weight gain. In the long run, high sodium consumption can lead to high blood pressure or hypertension. Next in the list is foods high in refined flour, such as white bread or pastries. Substituting white refined rice for bread as a carbohydrate source is equally bad, as both are considered simple carbohydrates. This causes obesity as it encourages fat storage and causes blood sugar levels to spike. Consider going for whole grain, wholemeal options, or red and brown rice instead. Next, tropical fruits such as mangoes, pineapples, and durians. These fruits are high in fructose and promote weight gain. Other than practicing moderation for these foods, those who are diabetic should opt for lower sugar fruits such as guava, kiwis, avocados, and strawberries. When it comes to beverages, fruit juices might occur to many as healthy drinks, but in fact, they can be as unhealthy as your regular soft drinks. It takes a few whole fruits to make just one single glass of juice, meaning the sugar content is equivalent to that of consuming 3 to 4 or even more whole fruits on a single sitting. Some fruit juice packs you might find in supermarkets might have the no sugar added label prominently printed. But when you turn over to the nutrition panel, you might see sugar content as high as soft drinks. The reason is because these drinks are actually made from fruit juice concentrate. Next, salad dressings such as mayo, cheese, or Thousand Island. Salads are healthy and can be made even healthier when slices of chicken breast meat or salmon are added to the mix to boost overall nutrition and protein. But the problem arises from the dressings. These dressings can be high in sugar, sodium, or fat content. As such, do drizzle with care. Next, low or zero fat foods. Fat-free labels can be as deceiving as the no sugar added labels. This is especially so for snacks and desserts. Low fat labels does not necessarily mean low in calories. In fact, high sugar or high sodium foods can still be low in fat content, but yet be very calorie dense. Next, low or zero cholesterol foods. Dietary cholesterol does not necessarily have negative impacts to your health. The one component that causes artery blocking bad or LDL cholesterol to form is actually trans fat. Always check the nutrition label potato chips, which are high in sodium, calories, and fat, may still be labeled as cholesterol-free. In conclusion, it is important to pick whole foods and always check your nutrition labels to ensure that unhealthy components such as sugar and sodium levels are low, with zero traces of trans fat. Hope this episode has taught you to avoid or at least moderate on those seemingly healthier options by making more informed choices the next time you choose what you want to put on your plate. Stay safe and stay healthy.